Hello, my name is Lalitesh Vadyar and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will explain how to generate cable pull cards in Bentley Raceway and cable management. Cable pulling is an important task in construction projects. To facilitate cable pulling, Bentley Raceway and cable management provides the ability to generate cable pull cards. The cable pull cards provide the detailed information regarding the cable such as the cable length, cable type, cable laying method, and the route taken by the cable. We begin with opening a routing drawing file. We will first perform automatic cable routing. Go to Cable Manager, right click and select all the cables. Right click and select Auto Connect. Right click and select Routing Manager. In the Routing Manager, select all the cables and perform automatic routing. Click OK to go back to the Cable Manager. Select all the cables and go to Cable Reports. It can be seen that there are two types of cable reports, the cable drums and the cable pull cards. Click on Cable Pull Cards. In the Status Manager dialog, click OK to proceed. You will be prompted to save the cable pull card. Click Save and preview the cable pull cards. The cable pull card will be generated in an Excel sheet and will provide the information about the cable type, cable length, from device ID to device ID, cable size, drum number, cable laying method, and the route of the cable. So this is how you can generate cable pull cards. I hope you have found this video helpful. If you have any question, please type them in the comment section below or contact the Bentley technical support. Also, do not forget to subscribe our channel so that you can be alerted to new videos in the series.